Good morning from Parquet. We are in Blonde today preparing for an installation of a new floor. Today we've just taken our laser levels and we're getting ready to lay down our calcaire because we're installing a calcaire bed, then framework and then a chestnut parquet on top of that. So this is a stage 2 project. Stage 1, preparation of the subfloor. Stage 2, installation of the parquet floor. What we have is everything's being removed. The old beams which were rotten out, the floor was rotten out, old beams are being removed right around the room. And this morning we're just taking our laser heights to get our laser finish heights for our 3 doorways, and now we're going to be laying down our calcaire bed in preparation for installing our wall plate system and then our framework. Room size approximately 35 square meters, and you'll be able to watch this project via our channel this week to see how we progress and how we install a framework for a parquet floor. Thanks for watching.